Looking for a sturdy adjustable table mount for your camera, phone, or light? Say hello to the Digitek DTMHA-001, a versatile 3-section table mount with a 360-degree ball head and a flexible auxiliary holding arm. Perfect for creators, podcasters, and overhead shoots. Let's dive into the unboxing, setup, and see if it's worth adding to your desk setup. The packaging is minimal, but everything inside is nicely packed and secured with bubble wrap, which is great to see, especially for metal components like these. First up, we have the user manual and setup guide. It's always a good idea to glance through it, especially if you're using this kind of mounting system for the first time. The kit includes 3x8" and 5x8" screw adapters along with the standard 1x4" mounting screw. These adapters make the setup highly versatile, allowing you to mount a wide range of equipment, like professional microphones that typically use 5x8" threads, or audio gear and tripods that require 3x8" compatibility. With these adapters, you won't need to buy extra mounts or converters. It's ready to work with most standard gear right out of the box. You'll also find a universal phone clamp with anti-slip silicone grips. It's well built and holds most smartphones securely, making it ideal for mobile creators or overhead shots. Now, coming to the main components first up, the auxiliary holding arm. This is where the setup gets really versatile. Made from lightweight yet sturdy aluminum, the arm features a 3-section design, allowing you to easily extend or retract it, depending on your setup needs. It's perfect for holding devices like a camera, smartphone, compact LED light, or even a microphone, giving you complete control over angles and positioning during your shoot or stream. Then there's the table clamp base, the foundation of the entire rig. It's made of metal and includes silicone padding to prevent surface damage and provide a stable grip on your desk. All the parts feel durable and are securely packed, no loose items, and the finish on each component looks clean and professional. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's jump into the setup and show you how to install and position it for your workflow. Let's walk through the simple process of mounting the table clamp base to your desk or table. Start by loosening the clamp securing knob at the base. Open the clamp wide enough to fit the edge of your desk or table. Position it on a flat, even surface for maximum stability, then tighten the clamp until it's firmly secured. Thanks to the anti-slip silicone padding, it grips well and won't leave any scratches on your furniture. Here's a closer look at how it holds up from underneath the desk. You can see how firmly the clamp locks onto the edge. As we move up, you'll notice the solid vertical alignment of the main pole, extending cleanly without any wobble. And once fully mounted, the entire setup looks neat, stable, and professional, ready to handle your camera, phone, mic, or light with ease. Once the base is clamped securely to your desk, you can adjust the height of the main vertical pole. It uses a 3-section aluminum tube with twist locks on each section. To loosen, twist the lock from left to right and slide the pole up or down to set your preferred height. Then tighten the twist lock by turning it right to left to secure it firmly in place. This gives you complete control over the mounting height, whether you're setting it up for eye-level shooting or an elevated angle for top-down content. The pole feels stable and holds its position well once locked. With a folded height of just 440 millimeters, the vertical mount extends all the way up to 1055 millimeters, offering a great range of motion while remaining compact and easy to handle. Now, let's mount the auxiliary holding arm onto the main vertical pole. Loosen the clamp, securing bolt on the arm, and open the clamp. Place it on the pole at your preferred height, then tighten the bolt to lock it firmly in place. The clamp holds well and keeps the arm steady once secured. The arm itself features a 3-section aluminum build with twist locks, allowing you to extend and position it exactly where you need. It's perfect for mounting devices like a camera, smartphone, microphone, or LED light, giving you added flexibility without cluttering your workspace. Now, let's look at the auxiliary holding arm. When folded, it measures around 350 millimeters, compact and out of the way. but when fully extended, it stretches up to 800 millimeters, giving you plenty of reach for creative angles, wider framing, or positioning your camera or light just where you need it. Here's a look at the vertical ball head and how to adjust it using the ball head securing knob. The ball head allows for full 360-degree rotation and precise vertical tilt, giving you complete control over the angle of your mounted device. To reposition it, simply loosen the ball head securing knob, adjust the ball head to your desired angle, and then tighten the knob back to lock it firmly in place. Now, let's take a look at the horizontal ball head on the auxiliary holding arm. It's great for mounting a phone, camera, or light at different angles. Just loosen the securing knob, adjust the head to your desired angle, and tighten it back to lock the position. Smooth and precise for top-down, side, or angled shots. Let's mount an LED light onto the vertical ball head using the standard 1/4 inch screw mount. Align the light with the screw and rotate it clockwise until it's snug. Once it's secured, adjust the angle to your liking and lock it using the ball head securing knob. It's a quick, sturdy setup that lets you direct light exactly where you need it. Here's a perfect example of how this mount can streamline your entire content setup. For top-down shots, I have attached a camera to the horizontal arm using the ball head, while a light is mounted on the vertical ball head right above the subject. This dual setup ensures even lighting and a stable overhead view, ideal for unboxings, tutorials, or product demos. It eliminates the need for bulky tripods or complicated rigs, saving space and keeping your workspace clean and professional. Now, here's how easily the same setup can be adapted for self-shot videos. Just swivel the camera on the horizontal arm to face yourself and adjust the vertical mounted light to get a flattering, well-lit frame. Perfect for talking head videos, streaming, online classes, or virtual meetings, this compact rig gives you professional angles without the clutter. You can easily turn this rig into a mobile filming setup by attaching a phone holder to either the vertical or horizontal ball head. You get the flexibility to shoot from different angles, whether it's a top-down tutorial, a self-shot vlog, or creative reels. With a light mounted on the other arm, your mobile videos look more professional without needing bulky gear. Whether you're shooting product top-downs, vlogs, tutorials, or mobile content, the Digitek DTMHA-001 offers a compact, stable, and highly flexible setup. Its sturdy clamp, dual ball heads, and auxiliary arm make it a great choice for creators who need a clean, adjustable, all-in-one desk rig. If you're looking to level up your shots without cluttering your workspace, this is definitely worth considering. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Gadgets Pod for more gear reviews and setup guides. Follow us on Instagram at Gadgets Pod for behind-the-scenes, tips, and sneak peeks. Until next time, stay creative and keep building.